Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Karma Revero. This four-door sedan has engine with rear-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Karma is a great value with less than 34,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature